Keto chocolate cake you won't regret recipe? Craving rich, gooey chocolate cake but watching your carbs? Worry not, fellow dessert devotees. This low-carb chocolate cake recipe is here to redefine your keto dreams. With just 5 grams net carbs per slice, it's a guilt-free indulgence that explodes with flavor and moistness. Ingredients: makes 8 generous slices. Cake: 1½ cups almond flour, ½ cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon salt, ½ cup butter, softened, 3 large eggs, ½ cup erythritol or monk fruit sweetener, granulated ½ cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Frosting, optional. ½ cup heavy cream, 4 ounces cream cheese, softened, 4 ounces unsweetened chocolate, chopped, 1/4 cup erythritol or monk fruit sweetener, powdered, ½ a teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease an 8-inch round cake pan. Line the bottom with parchment paper for easy removal. Whisk together the dry ingredients: almond flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt in a medium bowl. In a separate bowl, cream together the softened butter and sweetener until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs one at a time, then stir in the vanilla extract. Alternately add the dry ingredients and almond milk to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cake cools, whip up the frosting, if desired. Heat the heavy cream in a saucepan until simmering. Remove from heat and add the chocolate, letting it sit for 5 minutes to melt. Whisk until smooth, then stir in the softened cream cheese, sweetener, and vanilla extract. Let it cool slightly before frosting the cake. Tips: for an extra fudgy cake, use melted dark chocolate instead of cocoa powder. Add a teaspoon of instant coffee to the batter for a deeper chocolate flavor. Top your cake with fresh raspberries or whipped cream for a touch of elegance. This low-carb chocolate cake is proof that indulging doesn't have to derail your health goals. With its rich, moist texture and satisfying sweetness, it's sure to become your new keto-friendly favorite. Remember, this recipe is just the beginning. Get creative and customize it to your liking. The possibilities are endless in the world of delicious, low-carb baking. Happy baking, and happy indulging.